Hello viewers, this video is about how to use Instagram on computer. So let's go to the tutorial, but first I will go to my Chrome browser and here I will type Instagram. I will go to my YouTube Instagram profile. It's my Instagram profile and my profile has opened in Chrome browser. If I want to post something from Chrome browser, I have to use inspect element to post anything from directly Chrome browser. But I will not use this coding option. I will use an extension which is INSSIST. This is a cool extension I have used some days. Okay, now how you will find this extension? I will open a new tab and click on the app button, Google app button, apps button, and click on the web store. And here just type INSSIST, INSSIST, INSSIST. It's already appear in search results. As I have added this extension, so I don't need to add it again. Please don't worry, I have included this extension link in my video description below. You will find this link from my video description. Okay, now I will show you how to use this extension. As for an example, if I want to post anything, if I want to post this thumbnail, I can post it without resizing the Instagram image. I will show you my thumbnail. This is my thumbnail, and this thumbnail size is dimension 1280 and 720 pixel, which is YouTube thumbnail size. But you know that Instagram size is 180 to 180, and also there are some available sites, but I commonly use 180 to 180. I know this size, and you can just click on the share. I can add a caption link in bio, and then if I click on the share button, it will share to my Instagram profile.